Alright, why don't you join me in putting the hard drive and RAM back into Dell Optiplex 390. If you're interested in knowing how this is done, well, this is the best time. Let me show you briefly how this is done. And the desktop we're using today is Dell Optiplex 390, very portable. You can sit it down flat like this and you can stand it up. You can see this, that's for standing. So either here, stand up this way or this way. And this is the hard drive for desktop. You see how thick and big it is, and this is called the hard drive caddy. This plastic, this is the one that holds it in place. And here you have the RAM. This is the random access memory, and that's what holds your laptop or desktop memory. When you are computing, you are typing, you are using your laptop or desktop for computing activities, this holds what you are doing, the sites, the information, the metadata about the site and things like that, cookies and everything, for a short period of time. So that's why it is random access memory, because it changes as you are also changing the browser, you're changing the maybe Windows you're using, you're checking Microsoft Windows, you're checking Google Docs and things like that. It's recording and changing the data based on that. And when you, for example, if you restart your system, this will flush off most of those things that is holding. It's called cache. It cache the memory, it cache them into the memory for you to be able to use it quickly, so that your system will not need to go back into the hard drive to retrieve all information that is needed. So this holds the information temporarily. So let's move on. Okay, so to open this, what you do is you hold the latch here, you can see, and once you pull the latch, it opens. And this right here is your DVD and CD drive. So underneath it is where the hard drive will sit. And to open that, just start from here, open this latch, then the third one, this latch, and remove it. You see it here. Okay, so then you need to push this. You can see it hooks in here, and here you see the wires may disturb it, so but you have to be careful to make sure. Then you need to pull this out, or else it may cut. Or if you don't want to pull it out, just try and pull this one out. You see how I lift it up and I remove this, place it somewhere here gently, and this is what holds the hard drive. So you pull this up and here you go. So for you to put that, you need to sit it in this direction. See this right here. So it goes in, it has pin that will go into this hole. The pin that will go into this hole right here. You can see it. So this pin, and then just put it in like that. And make sure, just spread it. once this pin sits in it. All right, so it sits in it now carefully. The most important thing is for the pins to hook it up. Then remember, this is how this one sits. Insert it right inside like this. Sorry, I turn it upside down. Yes, like this. If it's not okay, that then pull it, push the pin out. So you can see it click, and then you sit it back by matching this hole, these two holes, to these two pins here. And you can see inside here you have the random access memory rail. So look at this, there is a divider here. It shows the point of divide of the pins. So here I will press this and this to make sure that they are open, then sit it in here like this. You can see, you can hear the click, and that's so I have installed 4 GB RAM. This is another 4 GB RAM for it. So I'll sit it also just like I did that one, and there you go. And now we need to now put this in right place. Did I put it right? Okay, yeah. I think I made a mistake here. Okay, it's right. So this goes in here. If you look at this, you see this goes in here, and this one, either of these, use either of these. This one is there because if you want to have 2 hard drives, so you can use the 2, but we have only 1 hard drive. So let's see that in. Okay, that is in, and then we now sit it back on the pin and just move it down gently. And in here there is a pin that holds it in place, and it looks like a key. If you pull it here, then it keys in. Then you bring this one back and sit it. Once you sit it, pull it forward, it locks. And the front guardrail here, just lift this up. All this and this have a place to enter here. Set it and they click back. You have installed the RAM, you have installed the hard drive. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 at the edge here. Sit it inside, and bam, you're done. You have installed hard drive, and you have installed random access memory. Thank you for being part of this, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video.